to my channel, Brown Eyes on the Budget, and today we're going to be doing a Topiary DIY using some Dollar Tree items. So if you're interested in seeing, then y'all stay tuned. You guys, let's get right into it. So the first items you're going to need, of course, the Dollar Tree little styrofoam pumpkins that they have out. You're also going to need some chalk paint. And you guys, you know I'll be using my chalk paint that I got on hand, okay? So you're going to need some chalk paint. You're going to need a little paintbrush. I'm using my husband's paintbrush, so yeah. You're going to need some twine or some type of little embellishment if you want to put it on. I'm going to use some twine. And this right here, I had already made this in... I didn't upload it or anything. It's just a styrofoam pumpkin that I used from Dollar Tree. And I took some of the cloth that I made my little plate out of. And I took some Mod Podge and put all the Mod Podge around the pumpkin. And then put the cloth on top of it. And then I just put a little piece of twine around the stem. So that's how I made that. I didn't do a DIY on that on video. But that's how I made it. And that's what I'm using. Okay. So... also going to need a little something to put your pumpkins in to stock them up. So I'm using this. I purchased these from the Goodwill for 49 cents, you guys. So I'm going to be using that. And also I'm going to be using my metallic aluminum spray paint, you guys. Alright, so now that we got all the things that we need to be using out the way, what you're going to do is you're just going to pull off your tags, of course, and you're going to take out the stem. And then you are just going to start painting, you guys. So I'm going to do one in, what is this? This is ivory. So I'm going to paint one in ivory, and it takes like 2 coats, you guys, okay? So I'm going to start painting my ivory on camera, and then I'm going to finish off just for the sake of time for the video, you guys. I don't like long videos. I say that in every video, though. But you know, you just start painting. It's a big old paintbrush, you guys. Oh my goodness. I guess this must be the one left over when we was painting the kitchen. But you're just gonna paint like this. See that? So I'm going to continue doing this, and then I will come back and we will continue. Okay, guys, so I have my ivory pumpkin drying right here. This is how I dry my pumpkins. I get me a piece of styrofoam and I put the little dowel, which you will also need a dowel, you guys. So, and I got mine from Dollar Tree. But I put my dowel in my pumpkin and then put it on a little piece of styrofoam so it can dry, so I'll be able to turn it and everything. So now we're going to work on this other pumpkin over here. This one right here, and we're painting that one moss that I had left over. So I said I wasn't going to buy any more paint until I have like another project to do, which I did go and buy some more acrylic paint because I have another DIY that me and my husband are both going to share with you guys, hopefully this week. So yeah, and it's very easy, okay? But we'll talk about that at a later time. So I'm going to go ahead and start painting my little orange one, you guys, with the moss. So I'm just painting with the moss. And then I will come back when they have both completely dried, and I will show you the next steps, you guys. Hey, you guys, I'm outside. I'm getting ready to spray paint this little thing that I'm going to put my pumpkins on. And like I said, I'm using the metallic aluminum to spray paint with. And I like to spray paint inside too if I can. Okay guys, I'm going to finish this up and then I will meet y'all in the inside. Okay Alright guys, we are back. So my pumpkins are dry and everything in my little tin that I'm going to sit them on, and I've put my styrofoam in there, which you will also need, you guys. So I'm just going to sit my pumpkins up here just like this, get them positioned where I want them to go, and I'm going to take my dowel and I'm going to stick down off in there. Then I'm going to take my little one. Let me raise this up a little bit so y'all can see. Okay. Then I'm going to take my little pumpkin that I had already made a while back, and I'm going to sit that on here like this. Okay. So I have my little twine. I wanted to kind of make it look like the other one. Let me get this turned around where I want it. Okay, I'm going to make it look similar to the one that I did previously. So I just took my twine like this and just kind of set it on there. It doesn't have to be neat unless you really want it to be neat, okay? Do it to your liking. Like this. And that's basically it, you guys. That's basically it. Now, if you want some garland to go on yours, you can wrap a little piece of garland down here, or you can put, you know, the little leaves up here and everything like that. So, I am through with this. I'm going to come back and show you where I have decided to put them, and we will be through with this DIY. So, see you in a minute. Okay, you guys, this is where I decided to put my pumpkin topiaries at. Oh my goodness, I think they turned out so beautiful. I really, really do love them, and this was such an easy DIY. So yeah, I'm very pleased with them. So this is going to be the end of this video. Thank y'all for watching and supporting my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you're new here and you like what you see, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure to like and comment and share. That helps me out a lot. Also, hit that notification bell so you will be reminded of any future DIYs that I do upload. All right, you guys. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.